everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me again today. Today's project is a card for a child's birthday. I've used these stamps called footlongs. It's a package with these super cute little zoo animals on here. We've got everything from a giraffe, an alligator, a little lion head, the monkey, which is the one I used in this card, a zebra, an elephant, and a little tiger. And then some cute little sayings on here. It says little monkey, wild thing, call of the wild, and a palm tree as well. So there's going to be lots of fun cards I can design with these stamps. So the first one I decided to try was the little monkey here. It's kind of got a cute long tail on him, and he was fun to stamp. So I'm going to show you the card I came up with for a child's birthday. So I've used the A2 card base here, and I've layered on a background of green and white stripes, kind of fun. And then I die cut out a rectangle and stamped the little monkey all over the place on there, just in different directions. And on top of that, I cut another little rectangle and stamped the palm tree on there. And that turned out cute. And then I put that on with a stamp, the little monkey, on a separate little rectangle die there. And I used my Tombow brush pens to color that in yellow. And then I stamped happy birthday on this other little tag here and added just a little, I guess a little embellishment, this little yellow dot on there just for fun. And on the inside, I just die cut out another little shape, rectangle shape there, and stamped the monkey on there and just put that in the corner. I thought that was kind of cute for a child's birthday. So we're going to go ahead and put one of these together. Okay, I think I have everything together here and ready to build the card. So we're going to start with the, here's the background we have here. And we're going to start with the stripe. I've got the green and white stripe. This time the stripe is going this way instead of up and down there like I have on the other card. I've got some of the adhesive tape on the back already here for this guy. I'll just, sorry about if there's shadows going on here or a bunch of glare. I'm struggling with getting this light in the right position and today. I can see shadows, but I don't know. Try to move it a little bit. Okay. Then I've gone ahead and I've stamped the monkey on this rectangle background here in several different positions here. So I just used a brown ink for that. So we'll go ahead and put some adhesive on here for this guy. And then we just kind of center this up. That looks pretty good. And then we're gonna take the stamped palm tree on here, and we'll put some adhesive on the back of this as well. For this I used, I was able to use my stamps and do the trunk of the tree brown and then the leaves green. So that worked okay. There's that on here. So, and then let's see, I've got my little monkey words stamped out here, and we're going to take the Tombow brush pen here. I'm going to use the yellow, and we're going to color that in. Just using the pointy end of the Tombow markers for this. It doesn't take too long to do on a little words like this. Okay, and then for this little piece here, I used some 3D tape here and put that on the back. So I'll go ahead and do that. kind of pops it up and makes it a little fun on here. Let's see. There we go. And then I've got the little happy birthday that I've stamped on this little tag die cut here. So we'll put some adhesive on here. Now you could put this on the 3D tape as well if you wanted this to be raised too, but I just left it this way. I don't want to cover the monkeys up too much, but kind of like this, just at an angle. And let's see, then I have some of these dots here. So I think we'll use the yellow one again. And they do have sticky on the back of them, but I always put a little extra on just to make sure that it sticks on well. Whoops. So we're going to stick that right over there. So that's pretty good. And then for the inside, we'll just put this little monkey in the corner on the inside. Adhesive on there again. I'll just put them down in the corner here. There he is. So there. So that's the way you put that little card together. So that'd be great for some little one's birthday. And so I hope you get some inspiration to create some cards like this for yourself. Have a great day. Bye for now.